Fucking rainbow. Why couldn't I get the rainbow ones? These aren't rainbow, are they? This better not be the fucking rainbow dolphin. Oh my god. You were supposed to be a unicorn? These animations look a lot nicer on paper. I think this was supposed to be a unicorn. No, where's the unicorn and an alligator? What? I'm so confused. Unicorn and golden dragon. What? I'm gonna cry. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Okay, yeah. Alligator and unicorn. I'm gonna die. Like, could you just kill myself off now? What the fuck? Okay, so one of these things and a red dog shit. Oh, I don't know. Okay. It's a seal, whatever. Same difference. I don't even know what this is. It looks like a dolphin. So it might be a dolphin. But I have to find the red... seal? I think that's what I have to find. Limited edition doesn't have a red seal, no. No. Neither does special edition. Or extremely rare. So, like, where are you, bruh? Are you supposed to be the rainbow dolphin? Dude. Does this look like a rainbow dolphin to you guys? No, I'm not losing my mind. Okay. Don't look like a fucking rainbow dolphin. But if I find a golden dolphin and a rainbow dolphin, you're not even a dolphin, are you? A golden seal and a rainbow dolphin paired with each other, I'm done. It's over. I'm done. I give up. This is so weird. I genuinely don't get it, y'all. My god, what are you, dude? What the fuck is this? What? If I can't tell what this thing is, I can't look. So this is what a rainbow dolphin looks like to the people who created this shit. And this is what a seal looks like. Looks more like a walrus, if you ask me. So we found out what 3 of these are. And they don't look like what they're supposed to. Which one of you would be easier to find? The turtle. Okay, so we're going with the turtle. So I gotta flip back over to the front and fight with this shit again. What the fuck is this shit? You're not a frog, are you? No. This is fucking weird. I just have a normal. So I got a turtle, right? Where are you? And a purple and pink hedgehog. This is a hedgehog. What? Which one of you would be more discerning? Oh, look. It's a seal again. It's a seal. This is what a fucking seal looks like to these people. You're not rainbow. Okay. I need one that says, like, pink seal or something. I got Excuse me. I swear to God, I'm like losing my mind. Can you just like show me a tricolored dog looking shit, please? Are you supposed to be a golden walrus? No, I didn't think so. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna shoot myself in the head. Okay. What are they giving to like little... Okay. It's a special edition, I think. Are you a special... No. No, you're not a special edition. But you don't look like a penguin either, so... I genuinely don't know. I think you're a special edition. Because you've got little spots on you, so you look like the special edition. Fuck it, I'm calling you the special edition. Okay, so I think it's a strawberry seal, and now that I struggle with it too, an orange peel penguin. So that's what a penguin and a fucking seal looks like to these fuckers. I don't... What are you supposed to be? I'm really hoping you're a, genuinely hoping that you're something normal. I don't even know what's underneath you. Caramel husky, maybe? Are you caramel husky? I'm gonna say you're a caramel husky. And a hippo. Because it looks like a hippo and it kind of looks like this. I don't know. There might be more. Hang on. So now I need to look for hippos. Yep. I'm on my search for other hippos. You're not a bunny. Yeah, that's what I'm going with. Now, what are you? So, blue what? And why do you sparkle? I don't understand. So, you're obviously a sparkling walrus. Not walrus, hippo. A sparkling hippo. I'm so confused. I don't see a sparkly hippo anywhere. But you look just like the other one. You look like a fucking hippo! What are you? Most of this video is legit just me trying to figure out what these flipazoo shits are. You're not an elephant, you're a hippo! So where do you have a sparkling fucking hippo? Here it is. It's in the special edition Purple Sparkle Hippo and Blue Dog. We're done. That was a video for today, whatever. Wherever you are, whenever you see this, whenever you spot it, whatever. Outro time. Excuse me. Like, don't like, comment, don't comment, sub, don't share, don't share. I don't care. It's your choice, not mine. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.